Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the youthful theatre of New Jersey's hub, the Crickmax Rangers and CCCA Tigers clashed in an under-15 category toward their foes. A tapestry of potential painted the canvas of this encounter, setting the stage for emerging junior juggernauts.
The verdant vista of New Jersey transformed into a coliseum of cricketing titans in training. Rangers won the toss, chose to wield the willow first, a presage of the fireworks to come in this youthful saga.
Rangers, wielding the bat like artists their brush, amassed a mountainous 417, painting the scoreboard with boundaries. Tigers, in reply, crumbled under pressure, succumbing for a mere 43, as the Rangers orchestrated a symphony of wickets.
Indeed, Isha. While Rangers sculpted a score to daunt Olympus, Tigers' batting crumbled like ancient ruins against disciplined bowling. The match turned into a story of domination and resilience, etching the Rangers' name in this epic battle.
Arnav Ghurde's century was the keystone of Rangers' innings, his partnership with Neil Neher a masterclass in run accumulation, propelling their team to a daunting total amidst a cascade of extras.
The Rangers took to the crease with strategic intent, Tivana's swift 63 anchoring the early innings. But it was Ghurde's whirlwind 101 that set the stage, as the Tigers' bowlers served a veritable feast of extras, compounding their woes.
Tigers' pursuit was but a short tale, with the Rangers' bowlers spinning a web too complex to unravel. The top partnership amassed a mere 9 runs, a testament to the relentless pressure exerted.
As the covers of the second innings were lifted, the Tigers' willow whisperers could hardly muster a roar. Krishnaswamy's magnificent 3 for 6 and Venkatesan's trio of wickets spelled the end for the Tigers, scripting a tale of tenacity and triumph for the Rangers.
Rangers' Arnav Ghurde emerged the shining knight with his scintillating century, while bowler Rohit Krishnaswamy became the architect of downfall, crafting an unforgettable 3-wicket haul.
Ghurde's bat spoke a language of runs, weaving a narrative of dominance. Krishnaswamy, with his miserly spell, shaped the plot's climax, undoubtedly etching their names as protagonists of this match.
A resounding victory for the Rangers by 374 runs, a tale of might and mettle, underpinned by Ghurde's century and a steely bowling performance that penned the Tigers' epitaph today.
The Rangers rejoiced, a victory of such magnitude in the lexicon of cricketing legends, a day when the Rangers turned the ground into their amphitheatre of conquest. As the dust settles on this coliseum, one recalls the age-old adage: cricket, much like life, can be unpredictable. Yet today, the Rangers wrote a script so formidable, it could rival the classics of cricketing lore.
In the annals of the junior juggernauts, this match shall be chronicled as a clash where heroes were made, and lessons learned. A reminder of the sheer joy and raw talent that festoons the spirit of youth cricket.